Welcome! Today we're showing you how you can easily manage your account and services online using MyRogers. Let's go! Need to view your bill? Perhaps you want to make a payment? Maybe you're looking for how to self-install Ignite TV. With MyRogers Online, you can get all the information you need to manage your account easily. Here's how. To start, go to rogers.com/online support in your browser. On the MyRogers Online self-serve page, you can choose from a range of topics from billing to account management, wireless, TV, and more. Each topic features helpful step-by-step self-service instructions. Let's say you need help viewing your bill online. Under Billing and Payments, select View Your Online Bill. Scroll down and select How to view my bill online or via the MyRogers app. Here, you'll see the instructions you need to view your bill online. You can also get help on how to make a payment. Under the Billing and Payments section, go ahead and select Make a Payment. Here you can learn how to make a one-time payment, switch to pre-authorized payments, or set up or change automatic bill payments. Looking to check your wireless data usage? Scroll down to the wireless section and select Monitor Data Usage. Here you can learn how to manage your data, add top-ups, and more. You can even watch a video with helpful tips and tricks on saving data. How about exchanging Flex channels on your Ignite TV? You can also do that quickly from home. In the TV section, access Ignite TV self-serve steps. Next, select How to exchange Flex channels. Now you can watch our video on how to exchange your Flex channels or use the simple steps below. Just got Ignite TV and ready to self-install? We've got you covered. Here, you have access to all the self-serve installation steps you will need, including a video that will take you through the install. That's it! With rogers.com/online support, you can enjoy easily managing your account and services with MyRogers.